Welcome to Recycling with Mona. Today we are going to recycle a book into a candle. Once the candle is made, you can decorate it in any way you like. You can use a recycled book or a book of your choice with about 180 to 200 pages. You will need an X-Acto knife or razor knife, a ruler or tape measure, a pen or pencil, a tea light, and any decorations you like. While using an X-Acto knife or razor knife, please be careful. Now let's get started. First, we want to remove the book cover. If you are using a hardback book, you will need to use an X-Acto knife or razor knife to remove the cover. Open the book and cut at the spine to remove the cover. If you are using a paperback book, you should be able to tear it off easily. Now let's make the hole to place the tea light in once the candle is finished. Measure the height and the width of the tea light. When marking the width, cut the measurement in half. The height will be the same amount you measured. Now let's mark on the upper left side of the book where the spine is. You should have a square in the upper left side of the book. This is where you are going to cut. Be careful not to cut yourself. Once you have cut through all of the pages, you now have a square hole in the top left corner. Now it is time to start folding pages to make a candle. You will make a total of 3 folds per page. The first fold starts from the upper right corner. Bring the upper right corner towards the spine of the book, stopping at the horizontal cut you made for the tea light. You have just completed your first fold. Second fold starts with the right side of the page. Fold it to the spine of the book. You have just completed your second fold. The third and final fold starts at the fold you just completed. Fold to the spine. Your third and final fold is completed. You will continue these 3 folds per page on all the remaining pages. Once you have completed folding every page, your candle is complete. There is no need to glue the last pages. Your candle will stay together on its own. Now you are ready to add the tea light and decorations. Enjoy!